In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send a video from phone's gallery as streak on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app, then select some lens that will change this bottom toolbar, and then all you have to do is tap at Explore and then search for Upload, and then select Video Uploader. You can just tap on it and that will show you videos from your camera roll at that streak, and then you can just drag it left or right, and once you find a video that you want to upload, just tap on it and then hit at that button. After that, you will be able to use all that stuff to edit it, and once you're done with that, hit at send to send it as a snap. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.